To sign into Outlook using a QR code, start by opening the web version of Outlook and logging into your account. This method is not possible with the desktop version of Outlook, but it can be done on the web version. Once logged in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. From there, navigate to the General tab, which is the first option on the left. Within the General tab, you will see several options. Click on Mobile Devices, which is located in the middle. At the bottom, you will see an option to sign in faster to Outlook on your phone. Clicking on this will open a QR code. Scan the QR code with your phone's camera to link your Microsoft account. If you do not have the Outlook app on your mobile device, you will be prompted to install it from the App Store or Google Play Store. You can keep the window with the QR code open while scanning it with your phone, and it will automatically connect your phone to your Outlook account.